I sneeze like 40 times in a row, I swear to God. Like that is already Also, my mum got me this, which I used to always pay adults out for having a stuffed toy. But you know what? I want a stuffed toy. So I got one. 5, 6, 7. Oh, like, does anyone else experience this, or is it just me? 8. I don't even know what the count I'm up to anymore. I finally stopped. Thanks for watching.